Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to private all videos on TikTok. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up TikTok on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on the video that you have previously uploaded. Now tap on the three horizontal dots at the right of your screen. Scroll all the way to your left and tap on Privacy Settings. Select the Only Me option. Now you have successfully privated your video. Go ahead and do this to all your videos. And that's it. This is how you private all your videos on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.